So hello everyone, welcome back. So here we are going to see today is the most important thing when it's come to the buy a new MacBook, not a new, the used one. So first of all, we have to check the inbuilt qualities and the outer face of the MacBook to check the better quality and better condition, right? So we have to consider about the battery condition as well when it's come to the MacBook especially. So MacBook have some cycle count, which means there is 1000 cycle count, which is the maximum count you can charge your MacBook. Then after it will be some it will be going to the poor condition, something like that. So it will drain the battery and some internal problems. So there are some issues will be coming after the maximum which you reach the charging cycle, which is 1000. So if you need to know more about the MacBook charging the battery cycle, so you can just type into the Google, check the condition of your MacBook laptops. It depends on your version, which is most the condition of the, sorry, this not in this one. So here, determine battery cycle count for Mac laptops. So when it's come to the MacBook, so there are some categories, which is MacBook and MacBook Pro and the MacBook Air. So let us talk about the maximum count of the cycle, the battery. So which we are charging at one time, it's one, and the second time it's second. So when you are plugging into a charger, it counts one. So then after you two, like that. So here we can see the maximum cycle count is, as shown here, it's 1000. It's depend on the model. The MacBook is 300, the Pro is 500, and there are some versions you can refer to this which category you belong to. So let's go into the real examination, which is our battery health. So let's find out. So launchpad. So when we just click into the launchpad, then you can see there is a system settings in the corner. So it will be somewhere in your laptop. So just check with the system settings. When it's open, just click into the about tab. So when you come into the about tab, there are some certain, so it's not a major thing, so there are small details about your MacBook. So you can go and refer the system report. So you can see here there's a system report. So when you click into that, so it will open a window, which is, you can see there are so many things that you can refer to the MacBook. So actually you can see here, so model name, model identifier, so there are some details they have given, which is the chipsets and the graphics, and what are the softwares you have installed, then what are the networks you have in the inbuilt. So here we are going to check the battery health. So we are going to the power option. So when it's come to the power option, so there are so many things you can see here. Power, so they mention battery information, which is your battery serial number, device name, and that, and blah 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 blah. There are some things, so just skip those things and just come into the health information, which is we are looking for. So cycle count, which is cycle count, my one is 9, and the condition is normal, and the maximum capacity is 100. What is the maximum capacity? The maximum capacity is called the battery health. So when you come in, when you are using a mobile phone, which is an iPhone especially, so you will be looking at the battery health, right? So there are some mobiles, so which is especially Apple mobile phone, we are most of the time we are looking at the battery capacity. So like that, in your MacBook also we are going to look at the maximum capacity, which is battery health. So battery health is 100% in my case, and the cycle count also, it's 9. So I have more 991 time that I can use the MacBook for the charging. So my one is little bit new since I got this MacBook. So I got charged only 9 times it says 9 times. So okay, so I have some other things to tell you. So you can check here, there are so many things that you can go through and you can gain the information which are the things you have in your MacBooks. So it's up to you. So what are the things you are going to do with this? So this is how we are going to see the battery health in a MacBook. It is similar to all other uh, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, and MacBook. So there are some other which is very old, 2015 or something. You are going to buy a old MacBook, just look at the cycle count, which is very important. Okay guys, if you learned something new today, just don't hesitate to click the subscribe button. So please, I was asking just a few things which is free. Put a like, put a comment, and put a subscribe. Thank you guys, have a good day.